thief! Get back here with my mango right now! Hey, stop right there, you little thief! Give that back!
Look at the crybaby in the patched clothes!
Why are you so mean?
There you go, little buddy. That's it. Keep eating.
Now, pay close attention to the carburetor. This is where the air and fuel mix.
Please, sir. I really need the work if I'm gonna make it.
All right, kid. We'll give you a shot.
I stand before you today filled with gratitude. I came from nothing, but through determination and hard